Water is the source of life. The process of human civilization cannot be separated from water, but the history of human development is also a history of environmental deterioration. Natural water sources vary widely. There are many microorganisms and bacteria in clear water. It will cause harm to health drinking unpurified water. Universe Explorer Outdoor Water Purifier is an unprecedented outdoor water purification product which is a subversion of traditional ideas with a world-first 6-stage filtration to provide safe drinking water for our health. Universe Explorer Outdoor Water Purifier can be widely applied in outdoor life, field construction, military use, international aid, disaster emergency, caravan and SUV, etc. It has the features of small volume, lightweight, large water output, fully automatic, all-weather which satisfy the water demand of individual, family, team and army, 10 to 40 people. Universe Explorer Outdoor Water Purifier can filter the vast majority of the surface water including river, lake, pond and puddle. The 6-stage filters can intercept various kinds of materials in the water step by step. The filtration accuracy reaches 0.01 microns which can filter bacteria, viruses, spores, organic poisons and parasites in the water with the arresting rate of 99.7%. The built-in lithium battery can provide 2 to 2.5 hours work time which meets the daily water demand of 180 to 210 liters for 10 to 40 people. The work time can be extended by an external vehicle cigar lighter, spare battery pack and solar charging board. Let's enjoy the new outdoor safe water era brought by the Universe Explorer Outdoor Water Purifier. This product also has high-pressure washing function which is applied to garden irrigation, vehicle washing and personal showering which combines the purification and flushing scientifically. What are you waiting for? Let's experience the new outdoor product brought by the Universe Explorer. Get it started.